1. Visit the Sumitomo Mitsui Bank USA website. Go to the official website for Sumitomo Mitsui Bank USA. Look for sections on personal banking or credit cards. 2. Explore credit card options, if available. If they offer credit cards in the USA, review the different types and their benefits. Consider factors like rewards, fees, and eligibility requirements. 3. Check eligibility. Note any specific requirements mentioned, such as needing an existing account. 4. Gather required information. You will likely need standard information such as full name and address, date of birth, social security number, contact information, phone, email, employment and income details. 5. Apply online, if an option is available. If an online application is offered, follow the instructions on the website to fill out the form. 6. Apply in person. If online isn't available or preferred, locate a Sumitomo Mitsui Bank USA branch. Visit the branch and speak with a representative about applying for a credit card. They can provide you with the necessary forms and guidance. 7. Contact customer service. If you can't find specific information online, call Sumitomo Mitsui Bank USA's customer service line to inquire about their credit card offerings and application process. Important notes. The information found primarily relates to SMBC in Japan. The availability and application process for credit cards with Sumitomo Mitsui Bank USA might be different or even limited. You might need to be an existing customer. Some information suggests that having a bank account with them could be a prerequisite for certain credit cards. Be prepared for a possible screening process by Sumitomo Mitsui Card Company, Limited, even if you apply through the US branch. In short, your best first step is to directly check the Sumitomo Mitsui Bank USA website or contact their customer service in the USA to get accurate information on their credit card offerings and how to apply.